Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add music on your video edit or project on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do, you can start the new project, or you can also choose the previous project that you prepared before. For me, I want to choose my previous project, so I already have my clip here. This is a video, but there is no music on it. So I want to add the music as a background of this video. So how to do it, you just need to inactivate mode the clip, so don't make it in active mode. You just need to click it, and after that please take a look on this bottom line here, and please see on the audio. You just need to click the audio, and there will be a lot of options. Either you want to add a sound or checking the copyright, doing the effects for the sounds. You can also extract it from the files of you, as well as you can also do a voiceover. So if you want to enter in the music, please go into the sound, and you will be provided by a lot of music on a CapCut. You can choose either you want to make it as a mellow or dance, have a high beat or low beat. Just need to explore it by yourself here. Or if you want to know the recommendation by the Capcut, you can just go into the fire sign here, and please take a look what did Capcut recommend to you. Okay, so if you've already found one, just click it and click plus. And now you can also have to adjusting the length. Make sure the length of the music is just the same with the length of your clip. So how if the music is quite long, you just need to click the music part and then split it, then delete. And now the music is already have a same length with the clip. Let's check. And that's all the way how you add music on a CapCut. If you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.